Placing multiple orders one by one takes time. And in fast-moving market, even small delay can mean missing your price. Say you want to buy several stocks for your portfolio, or you are trading a multi-leg option strategy. By the time you finish entering each order separately, the market may have already moved. On Kite Web, we have a useful feature called Quick Baskets to help you place orders quickly. This feature allows you to group multiple orders together and place them at once directly wherever you are on Kite Web. The basket icon is always visible on the top right corner. So whether you are on your watch list checking charts or reviewing your positions or your portfolio, you can start building a basket instantly. Here's how it works. Click the basket icon and you will see a box where you can search and add stocks or F&O contracts. For each item, enter the quantity and choose your order type. If it's a limit order, set your price. If it's a market order, it will go through at the current price. Once you have set up everything, just hit place all. All your orders are sent together, saving you time and effort. You can also add items to the basket from Market Watch, orders, holdings, or your positions page. Hover over an instrument, click on More and select Add to Basket. That way you can build your basket as you go. Options traders get another shortcut. In the option chain, you can enable basket mode. Then just hover on a strike and click B to buy or S to sell. These orders go straight to your basket, ready to place together. Now, here are a few things that you need to know. Quick baskets aren't saved. If you log out, switch browsers, or log in from another device, instruments added to your quick basket will be removed. If you want to save baskets for later, click on orders and then click on baskets to create a new basket there. So whether you are buying multiple stocks, adjusting your portfolio, or setting up complex option trades, Quick Basket on Kite Web makes the process faster, easier, and more efficient. We have Quick Add to Basket feature in the option chain, which makes placing order faster for multi-leg option strategies. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below and we would be happy to answer.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.